What's up, my good people? This is Christopher Walker, and you know me, I help people make more money online, especially entrepreneurs. And one of my goals for 2023 is to do more lives. So it's going to be off the cuff. It's a Saturday. I'm not doing a whole lot, and I want to be able to just reach out and see what people are doing for 2023 for that side hustle. So, you know, it's first like from a side hustle standpoint. Most of the time with a side hustle, you already have your 9-to-5 job, and you're just looking for a side hustle to supplement your income, to add income, or eventually make that side hustle into your main hustle. So one of the things that I actually like to do is affiliate marketing. I think affiliate marketing is the ultimate side hustle. It's really easy to get into, but the thing about it is with affiliate marketing, it does take work to be able to get in that content that you need to be able to attract the traffic that you need to get to your products that you're promoting. So if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, but basically what affiliate marketing is, you're promoting someone else's product or service, and when someone clicks on your link to be able to go to that product or service and they spend money with that particular company, you get a cut of it. So one of the more popular types of affiliate marketing programs out there is Amazon Associates, which is really easy. It's free to get into. The margins aren't that great, but you know, one of the things with Amazon is most people actually shop on Amazon or have shopped on Amazon. So it's a lot easier for them to be able to pull out their credit card, make a purchase. So that's one of the things that's been doing pretty well for me lately. I'm looking for more programs, more independent programs that pay a lot more. One of the type of programs that I like is software. Software pays great. Software, you not only get paid for just the front end, whereas the initial payment, and also you get the recurring payments afterwards on a lot of the programs. Some of them actually have gone on to some of those bigger affiliate marketplaces where you go and sign up, like a ShareASale and you know some of these other ones like ClickBank, and basically you go and sign up with them and they give you a percentage. But for the most part, affiliate marketing has been great for me since 2003. So I've been doing it a long time. It's changed a lot over the years, but it's one of those things where, you know, it's really easy to be able to, you know, do the sign up. You build your website, whether that's a niche website or your own personal website. And, you know, you write content based around, you know, those type of affiliates. And then you try to get the traffic in, whether that's via Google, Bing, or through your social platforms. And, you know, with the social platforms, it's a little tricky with them because you can't just automatically just blast them with affiliate links. They'll shut you down. So you definitely want to check your terms to be able to do that. So what I like to do is, you know, build content that will bridge over into some of those articles that I'm talking about that have been written. And from those articles, either they're affiliate links on that page or they're links that are internally linked for my blog that go to another page that's more for buy-in. So you have your informational type of blog posts, and then you have your buy-in, more intentional blog posts that you will probably get most of your bulk of your sales from on your blog. So those will probably be like best product or comparing different products or services to each other, top products or things of that nature. So it wouldn't be one of those just more content, you know, regular informational type of post. So yeah, so just want to see what other types of side hustles that people are looking to get started with. If they have questions about a particular side hustle, there are other things out there people are doing. They're driving, you know, you can't drive on Uber forever, but for the most part, they're making really good money from it. Other things like, what else? Crypto. So if you have money to actually invest, you know, some people are getting really good returns when it comes to crypto. Another thing that people are doing, they're buying products and they're reselling them, whether that's on eBay or some other marketplace. They're doing drop shipping or fulfilled by Amazon. So they're getting products and they're getting them shipped to their home, and they're putting it up on Amazon, and they're fulfilling those by Amazon. So either they have a space with Amazon to be able to put their products, or they're shipping it directly to the customers. So there are different ways that people are finding ways to make extra money. And I think with the pandemic starting almost 3 years ago now, it's a long time, people are understanding that they need to find other ways to be able to generate income. With the stability of, the job market, there are jobs out there and things are getting better. But, we're looking to go into a recession. And if you haven't noticed, there have been a lot of layoffs in the last couple of months, and they foresee other layoffs coming as well. So I think it's really important that, find ways to be able to control how you actually generate money for your family. So, as far as like from a job standpoint, you go to your job, you do your job, you do it well, do what you need to do. But also after work, you need to find ways to be able to generate income. Other ways is real estate. Even if you don't have your real estate license, I have my license, but you can do things like wholesaling, finding a property. Once you find a property, get it under contract, finding a buyer to be able to buy that property. So that's another avenue of finding a side hustle that can help to generate money for you and your family. And, it doesn't take, well, I'm not going to say it doesn't take a lot of time. I don't want to say that. But basically, you get a system in place. You may not be doing it all the time, but you're out there creating content, trying to find people, mailing out letters, mailing out flyers to be able to find sellers willing to sell their home for less, or, depending on if it's been fixed up or not. If it hasn't been fixed up, no one should expect to actually get retail price for that, period. So, and that's a little friendly advice. If you're trying to sell your house, it hasn't been updated, it's a wreck, it's got some issues with it, I don't care what Zillow tells you, don't expect to actually sell your house for retail. No one's going to give you that. What that price you're seeing is, that price is based on where the neighborhood or the comparables are, based on if it's fixed up and looking nice. So if you got a house down the streets that have been selling, they got glammed out bathrooms, glammed out kitchen, and you still have these old cabinets from early 2000, you're not getting that price. So don't look for that. But yeah, just again, finding ways to be able to either, become a freelancer. If you have skills where you can actually create graphics, you have Fiverr out there, you have Upwork you can sign up for to be able to do services for other people, and just finding a way to, from a service standpoint, to be able to provide a service to someone. But, going back to the whole thing where you're finding products to sell, that's been around for ages. Getting a product at a low price and reselling it for a higher price is not to say that you're upcharging someone, but basically, the wholesale, getting the product for a lot cheaper than what the actual retail is for that product. So that's where you get a lot of the drop shipping and things of that nature. And then you got people turning into, millionaires or hundreds of thousandaires because they've found a great product or products, and they're selling it like hotcakes. So there are a lot of software out there that you can actually use to show you what's selling at the current time, what those margins are, and how to, get in the game. I'm not I would say a drop shipping expert. I've done drop shipping before. I hold my own. I plan on actually getting back into it to expand on some of the products that I was actually drop shipping. And it's great if you can actually find the right products. Some of the things with drop shipping is if you happen to, those shipping times, a lot of them are a lot of the products come from China or some other country. So you have all of that shipping time that it takes to get from, let's say, China to the U.S. Customs to be able to reviewed up shipment or whatever. Then you have the shipment from customs to your customer, and you don't want to have long shipping time. Amazon has actually grew us accustomed to getting stuff same day, next day, few days. So unless it's a great product somewhere they can't find somewhere else, you may want to look into other avenues, either local people that can fulfill, or either buy-in products, stockpiling them at home or somewhere, or get space with Amazon, and then that way Amazon can fulfill it just as quickly as they do their own or other markets products. So, but yeah, I just want to hop on the live, look for more of these lives pop up. I'm going to set up a schedule so that people can look forward to me going live, and then be a little bit more interactive. And I look forward to your questions, and I look forward to hearing more about some of the successes, even some of the failures. We're going to fail on this entrepreneurship journey. If you don't have any kind of failure, that means you didn't try to do anything, or you didn't try to do enough. So let's actually band together. Let's try to help each other and get this thing going. So again, Christopher Walker, and I help entrepreneurs make more money online. Peace.